good morning, good evening, my wonderful creative friends. Once again, we are part of our Photoshop quick tips and tricks. Today, we are going to look at how to create a beautiful thumbnail in Photoshop. Yes, something like this. This is a thumbnail that I created, and I feel like sharing the tutorials with you so that whoever wants something similar to this, then you can create it. So without wasting much time, Control N to open a new document, and then the size is, let's give it the title, then I'll place is Photoshop, perspective Photoshop thumbnail. Yes, so the settings, everything is okay. So create, boom, then I have my interface like this. So the first thing we are going to do is to write the text. Key on the keyboard to activate the text tool, and then just write them. How to, let's increase, or let's make the text visible. Change it to, let's say, color black for the meantime, and then increase the size. Yes, I think this is okay. Then let's draw the shape beneath it. So you on the keyboard to activate the text tool, and then let's draw a beautiful rectangle, something like this. That's it. So the colors, maybe let's use the colors we okay, maybe we can, for the meantime, let's maintain the colors first, or let's go back here and see. Okay, this is the color we use, that is something like yellow. Yeah, so this is what we used. Good. Then the next thing is, let's duplicate this. Ctrl J to duplicate, then drag it down. Then let's double click here and then type it inside. How to create. Good. And then let's duplicate the whole thing again. Ctrl J to duplicate and drag it down. Yes, you drag it down using the arrow keys, and then double click here, and then this in, then you copy them again and then drag it down using the arrow keys. Good. Then double click here and then type in Photoshop. Good. So let's increase this rectangle. So increase it to cover the side. Good. So the next thing, this we use this. So let's check the colors. So this is here. We use this better, and then this we use this. Okay, let's check. Is it this? No. Okay, so you let's maintain it like this, and then this, let's see the one we use. Okay, we use that color. Let's check. Okay, so this is the color we use. So it means we have to change this. You have to change this to something red like this. Is okay. Yeah, better. I think this is fine. So this too, let's change the colors. Okay, so we use white here, and this, let's try this colors and see. Good, I think this is fine. And this, let's change the color to some white. to make it nice. Good, 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 guys. Good. We are there. We are there. So let's merge everything, group everything. Good. And then let's convert it into smart objects. Then Control T, convert to smart objects. After that, give it a drop shadow. So blending mode, and then go to drop shadow. Boom. So the drop shadow, the settings, I've done it already. The blending mode is what? Multiply, opacity 100, angle, let's change the angle to 120. Good. And then here should be 38, and then this place to be 0, and then here should be 70. Boom. Okay, so this is perfect. Then OK on the keyboard. OK, press OK. Then the next thing we are going to do is Control T, and then let's convert it, let's make it perspective. Good, we are there. And then hold here and drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it to the size you want, and then you release it and click on OK. Then you can push it to the center and see it clearly. Let's reduce the size more. Boom, like this. So you see, guys, this is how to create a YouTube thumbnail, or using the perspective to create thumbnail or something beautiful like this in Photoshop. So if this seems to be interesting and this is what you like, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and then let's grow together. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.